Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to hard reset a Realme phone step by step. Before we begin, keep in mind that a hard reset will erase all data on your phone, including photos, apps, and files. Make sure to back up anything important. Now let's get started. First, power off your Realme phone completely. Once the phone is off, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons until the Realme logo appears, then release them. Now you'll see the recovery mode screen. First, select your language. You can do this using touch, or by using the volume buttons to navigate and the power button to confirm. Next, tap Wipe Data or Format Data. You may be asked to enter a verification code shown on the screen. Just type the code and tap Format to start the reset. Once the process finishes, tap OK. Your Realme phone will now restart automatically. The first boot may take a few minutes, so be patient. And that's it. You successfully hard reset your Realme phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.